Welcome video tutorials of mekanizmalar. Rack and pinion mechanism consist of two components, a straight gear called the rack and round gear called the pinion. The rack can be considered a very small segment of an infinite radius gear. When the pinion is revolving, the rotation motion of the pinion gear is converted to the linear motion of the rack. On the other hand, the rack is pushed in one way, the linear motion of rack is converted to rotation of the pinion gear. In this video, we are demonstrating a rack and pinion system with crank slider mechanisms. This system contains an extra top rack in addition to the bottom rack. The bottom rack is fixed to a plane and a crank slider mechanism pushes the pinion gear back and forth. This push causes the pinion gear to rotate back and forth. Rotation motion of the pinion causes the top rack to move back and forth. However, you might miss one critical fact. If the radius of the red crank shown in the animation is r, the stroke length of the pinion gear is 2r. However, the stroke length of the top rack is 4r. This means that we can use this mechanism as a stroke increaser. Another interesting application of rack and pinion is powering trains uphill and downhill. To do that, engineers put a long rack rail in between two rails. The steam-powered pinion gear is attached to the rack rail. This arrangement prevents the train slip downward where ascending or descending is very steep. Thank you for watching our video, and we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to support us.